And it's got your girl Jackie Eyeliner on the back as well. Jackie. Sorry, I'm too hype. Okay, so I look a little bit like a crazy person at the moment, but I don't have any new primers. I've just been using this First Base Primer Spray from NYX, and I've been using it for way over a year, maybe even 2 years. But I think they've got like a new bottle, a new design, and the spray's a bit finer, so I just sprayed that over my face at first. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealers that everyone's going on about. I did a review if you want to see it, but I've just used it on all of my scars. And I'll be blending that with a beauty blender. Okay, so next I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I've got the shade, it's a shade Mahogany. Right. Okay, online it looks like it was going to be too light, but it might actually be okay. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm just going to work with one small part of my face at a time, because this looks a bit messy. And I'm just using a regular flat stippling brush to buff it out. Whoa. Yeah, that is not that is not the right shade at all. That just made me like hella red in person. It might not show on the camera, but in person my skin is quite yellowy. It's got quite a yellow undertone to the point where I sometimes look jaundice, but whatever. And this is just literally made me look so red. It's ridiculous. It's probably a shade too dark and it's way too red. Let's keep going. So glad I didn't pay full price for this. On the website it had someone that's clearly about 2 shades lighter than me wearing this same exact shade, and it's like hella red. I just don't understand. I mean, it blends so nicely, but it's just completely the wrong shade. Oh gosh. Okay, the next thing I'm trying is the NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Deep Dark. And it's got your girl Jackie Eyeliner on the back as well. Jackie. Sorry, I'm too hype. No, I love Jackie Eyeliner. She's probably one of my favourite YouTubers. Like top 10 easily. Like I have a lot of favourite YouTubers, but she's really setting the way for black women in the makeup industry, and I really do listen to what she says as gospel, because yeah, I just really love her. Anyways, one. Do you see that way that just fell out? Oh my gosh. Well, it's the wrong shade anyway. It matches this foundation, but it don't match my face. Okay, to see that I'm not lying, literally. Yeah, this is cancelled. Let's see if the contour works. It's very creamy. See, the problem with me is I always think I'm a lot darker than I actually am, and end up buying things way too dark. Oh, that is ridiculous. I literally look at... I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna use the Light Makeup Revolution Concealer, which is way too light to use on its own, just to try and bring back like some lightness to my face instead of looking like an Oompa Loompa. Like, I had high hopes. I was so excited to do this video. I had such high hopes, and mate, I'm gonna use my crusty beauty blender to blend it out. Actually, can I even step outside the house like this? See, look at the concealer, it blends like a dream. But you know what? I actually can't do this anymore. I have to take it off. Okay, so I'm back to looking like a normal skin colour, or like my normal skin colour anyway. And the next thing I'm going to try is this NIP+FAB contour palette. I really do like orangey tones, as you can see there in the palette. I've actually got this one by Sleek, that's falling apart. It's called Sahara, and oh my gosh, like when I first heard of orange blushes for deep skin tones, I was like, orange, that's a bit weird, but it actually looks really nice and so natural. Using an angled brush, I think I'm going to use this shade. It's probably the darkest, obviously, and it's a cool tone brown, so I'm just going to use that. Oh wow, I was a bit heavy-handed with that. Cool. I think I'm going to use this shade. So that first shade was Cocoa, and I think we're going to use this shade, which is Chestnut, lightly on my forehead. Oh, yeah, that's a good match. Right, next I'm going to use the blush shade, which is called Sunset, I believe. All the shades are here on the back, by the way. Yeah, I'm just going to use it on a blush brush. Oh, it's so pigmented. Just one dip into it. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's a bit too much, but I'll turn it down in a minute. Literally, just one dab into it. I love it. Oh. Okay, so next I'm going to try this massive palette. Yeah, massive, isn't it? This shade's here as a nose contour, because it's the other contour palette I think is a bit too dark to use as a nose contour, so I think I'm gonna, yeah, even this is a bit, just doing a weird face as you do. Yeah, I prefer this as a nose contour. And I'm just going to bring it right up into my brow bone. I'm going to use the yellow powder. Oh, probably so big. The yellow powder for my under eye. It looks ghastly yellow, but yes, Makeup Rev. Honestly, coming through with the good stuff always. Like, I don't think I've purchased one thing from Makeup Revolution that I don't like, which is why I'm a Revaholic. Oh, I love it. We've also got a white powder. Let's just do that for fun. What am I doing in my life, honestly? You know what? I thought it'd be ghostly white, but it's not even. Like, I'm just setting my smile lines, and it's actually, oh, smooth makeup. Wow, no cake. Oh, that looks flawless. Right, I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix the yellow and the white together. Do a bit of reverse contouring because I'm feeling extra. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna use on the palette is the highlight. Alright, let's have a look. Get on my brush. Look how strong that is. Makeup Revolution, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, that is amazing. It looks, wow, it looks kind of similar. Probably can't see, it looks kind of similar to my Summer of Love Triple Baked Bronzer, but a bit more champagne-y. And I love this bronzer, as you can tell. Well, highlight, I use it as a highlight, and I love it. Next, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow from MUA, and it's in the shade Copper. And I have a fair few actually. I have probably about 7 of these eyeshadows from like back in the day, like literally when they first came out, and everything they sold was £1. It's still pretty affordable, but like everything they sold was £1. And yeah, that was like probably 7 years ago. I was still in secondary school then. So yeah, I'll try this eyeshadow Copper. No, that is beautiful. A tiny bit of this shade in my crease. Oh, this is like the perfect transition colour. Why didn't I think of this? Yes. And I'm gonna take this on my finger. A bit all over. Let me get some more. Oh, that is lush. That is lush. Oh my gosh. It's like foiled glitter. But like, it's not glitter, it's like so smooth. So the next thing I'm going to try is the Makeup Revolution Double Flick Liquid Eyeliner. Anyways, let's try to do this on camera. I'm usually quite good with eyeliner, but I bet you this will be the one time I'm like really bad at it. I mean, it's alright. It's not my favourite. I have my favourite eyeliners and it's okay. I'm going to do the other one off camera. Okay, I'm not really happy about this. The thin end was perfectly fine, but the thick end, kind of like, it just, in comparison to the thin end, just dried out a lot, so that's why my eye look like this at the moment. Usually I'm a person that can literally do both eyeliner on both eyes in a minute, 2 minutes tops, and this took me a good like 5 minutes to do, so yeah, not my favourite eyeliner. Okay, so I've got 2 lip options. I've got the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Dubai, and I've also got the Makeup Revolution Life on the Dance Floor Guest List Lipstick in the shade Potential. Okay, so the first one I'm going to use is the Makeup Revolution one, just because this, I know I've got the matte lip creams already and it obviously dry down to a matte finish and it's a liquid lipstick, so it'll be quite hard to take off. So I thought I'd use lipstick first. My lips are so dry at the moment. I thought it'd be more browny. But it's like, I feel like this is my perfect red almost. If I put a lip line around it. So messy applying lipstick. I thought this would be an everyday wearable shade, but I think this is my new favourite red. I like it. So the next one is the NYX one. Let's have a look. Yeah, I like it. It's more of an everyday wearable colour. I feel like it's also quite similar to Beauty Mark, also by NYX. Let me do some swatches. Okay, so that's Beauty Mark. And that's Dubai. They're literally the same colour. So my camera cut out. The only thing I would say is the lip lingerie is slightly more cool-toned, and this one is slightly more, got a bit more of a warmth to it in comparison. Okay, so the absolute last thing I'm trying is the ever so elusive Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I always use the Makeup Revolution setting spray. I use this one, the oil-free one, when I'm going to be out for a long time or on a night out, but I use the amazing one just for every day to set my makeup in place. So let's see what this is all about. It's very pretty. I like the colour. Oh, why has it got like 2 lids? Wait, so it's got one lid and it's got another lid. Alright, talk about wasting plastic. Anyways, shake it up. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, 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 that smell! Wow. I love how fine it came out. I love the Makeup Revolution one, but I don't like how the spray's a bit, it's not chunky, but it's not as fine as this. Ooh. I wonder if it does stay all night. I'd like to say, I was really hungry, so I made myself a banana and cinnamon warm milkshake. Don't knock it until you tried it, it's really nice. And that went all over my lips, and it's literally, my lipstick has not budged one bit. So I don't know if it's the combination of it being matte and the setting spray, but it hasn't budged, which is a plus. Right, so I finally finished my review and demo of all the new drugstore bits that I bought recently in the sale. So yeah, that's it. This is just my personal preference. This is what suits me, might not suit you, and vice versa. So yeah, it's just my opinions. You don't have to agree with them. I just thought I'd show the YouTube world how they work for me. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised towards the end with quite a lot of the products. But you know, in the beginning, it's just, let's not mention the beginning. But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. And yeah, if you liked the video, please like, and I will be back soon with another video.